Hey, Happy New Year, everybody. This is another house update. I'm starting in the master bedroom today. And over here you can see where their walk-in closet's going to be. And then you can see where they put the door in for the master bathroom. I'll step back a little bit so everybody can see it. So yeah, that's going to be the master bathroom door. And it looks pretty much the same as it did before the holiday. There's some, they put the wall paneling on and stuff like that. Then here's the guest bedroom that they're about to wall. Then here's the living room, and you can see where they they put the doors in for the balcony. And then here's the door for the guest bathroom. And then here's the other guest bedroom. And then they put the 3-panel sliding glass door on for the kitchen. But we gotta talk to the vendor, because this 3-panel door, the sliding glass door for the balcony, and then the guest bathroom door, the color for the guest bathroom door on the frame is not what we want. And then both the glass and the color of the frame and the glass and the color of the frame for the sliding glass door on the balcony is not what we want. So we got to figure out what went wrong there. But I hope y'all enjoyed this update, and I'll see y'all later.